Yeah, class 10th te thu sama la jule tanga tai chemical reactions and equations and angala reactions khachik chos the types of chemical reactions kavna ke combination reaction. Then we have studied about decomposition reaction. Then we have endothermic and exothermic reactions, and then we have displacement reactions, and then double displacement reactions. Tiunna nang yampo double displacement reaction and ata precipitation reaction yupi. The this thing ata yang reaction jitukle very important reaction which is known as a redox reaction, which is also known as oxidation, reduction reactions. Oxidation, reduction reactions. The kaswing ata define choin how can we define redox reaction is it's very simple. Those reactions in which oxidation and reduction reactions takes place simultaneously. The reaction gun kagune na ngata oxidation and reduction nisko nyampo take place shot. The reaction gun ngata redox reaction zerin zete definition tasda. Time oxidation and reduction nyampo ta charu. Magar what do you mean by oxidation and what do you mean by reduction? Tewangata use it's very simple. Teningata oxidation and reduction bochino sena teningata ikadin le. So we have oxidation, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. The addition of oxygen jik add chad do ngata reactant jika ya hydrogen jik remove chad do te gunla ngata oxidation zerin. Then ngata reduction bostu zerin zena reduction bo ive bilkul opposite bo reduction bo tene ngata ikadicheno addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Te reduction zerin zeten. Discuss we have a very simple chemical equation, and the chemical equation is when copper oxide reacts with hydrogen, we get copper plus H2O. The reaction will be given to you. What you have to do is you have to find on which reactant oxidation takes place and on which reactant reduction takes place. Tangata reactant is dug ika reactant chikyo nang yo copper oxide na hydrogen. Copper oxide po reactant side ne product side la lepa na po kweka chisong to. Oxygen chik kweka tente kete miru removal of oxygen. The removal of oxygen yotnata cheese and removal of oxygen in a reduction. So that means reduction bosi ka chatya zena reduction bo copper oxide ka reduction chatya. Then at la kaltes ka tongata I hydrogen bonena hydrogen boy ni ru lebana po kweka chisonto. There is addition of oxygen on this hydrogen. So what is the oxygen process? What is the process known as addition of oxygen? Oxidation. So ngata ika oxidation lichis. Oxidation. So habwa ka chemical reaction munena reduction jang chat oxidation jang chat. Then oxidation and reduction chi no zena po kya definition bekendi cha pata chan. Tyo ngata chemical equations gunena pata choches kazui oxygen add charu gya oxygen remove charu gya hydrogen add charu gya hydrogen remove charu. Te way accordingly we have to find oxidation and reduction reactions. The iwang in a complete chemical equation but any redox reactions such as kavina oxidation or reduction niskot nyampo charu. Ta tina yuta example chik sung. Taru ngata example ka chik discuss chona. For example, ngata simple examples rigmani kia 10th class na yo amano new digyo kia examples gun simple rig. Second example bangata stana. For example, kaltes ka to ngata zinc oxide yotna. Teve ka carbon tana we get Zn plus COZ. E chemical equation tasto kia. Tayang ngata reactant side kalta ches. Reactant side pone E side pe ka chanam po kweka zinc oxide ni yung do zinc side la chanam po kwena chi sungto there is removal of this oxygen atom. Oxygen bo miru oxygen remove chadna tenga ta chi zapin reduction. Now if I focus on the other reactant carbon, what happens on this? There is addition of one oxygen has taken place on this carbon. So what is the process when addition of oxygen takes place? The process is known as oxidation. So ale ta nyampo kia ina yang sperajian itu burgushokya. Tasa kia chemical equation ni se example tangstano kavena oxidation kaka charuk reduction kaka charuk tu opinion kya. Ta nyampo ika kia yang sperajian itu burgusano oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Ta chino oxidizing agent yang chino reducing agent zenna. Tene oxidizing agent bo te reactant pono kave oxidation chachuat. The reagent which makes the process of oxidation to take place is known as oxidizing agent. And the reagent which makes the process of reduction to take place is known as reducing agent. The simple words are as kavengata oxidation chachuat, teva oxidizing agent, kavengata reduction chachuat, tevangata reducing agent. Ta even astana. Iveka, for example, carbon ikangata yuldo alebana bukwega chisongtano oxidation. Oxidation chachukan busuno. Oxidation nam chano जब कोई का ऑक्सीजन ऐड चोना कोई का ऑक्सीजन जिक ऐड चोना तब उस पे ऑक्सीडेशन होगा. अब इस पे ऑक्सीजन ऐड क्यों होगा? बिकॉज दिस रिएक्टेंट विल सप्लाई ऑक्सीजन टू कार्बन, तभी इस पे ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है. तो जो ऑक्सीडेशन को होने दे रहा है वो कौन है? वो जिंक ऑक्साइड है. सो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट वो केस पे ना चिंदा ZnO कावे ऑक्सीडेशन वो छाचुआ. तेना सोचलांगा रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट कावे रिडक्शन छाचुआ तस्तो से तांगा चीज तेनो जिंक ऑक्साइड का ngata रिडक्शन छारु को रिडक्शन बो स्विच छाचुस कोई कने ऑक्सीजन थेते स्विचेस कार्बन है. सो कार्बन इज द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. दैट मीन्स कावे का ऑक्सीडेशन छाते हो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, कावे का रिडक्शन छाते हो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ओतो की तू बसनो. इज इट फाइन? तेना सोचलांगा yang example jik discuss chona. Very simple example. जैसे कि थर्ड पोनो H2S ये कंपाउंड में अच्छा पता दो शायद हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड तेवे का ये ऑक्सीजन ऐड चोना I get sulfur plus H2O. Now can you identify the reactants on which oxidation and reduction reactions takes place, and also you have to find oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Niskot oxidizing agent and reducing agent niskot pinzer na ivena. Yanches do. Isn't it very simple? Tai tene ata hi kazacheno e side ni e reactant bo imol do achana po kwega chisongto hydrogen remove chosto. Removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen. That means oxidation. You oxidation in kya. Tene ikane oxygen bo is side la chana po kweka chisongto hydrogen add songto. Hydrogen add chana reduction. Hydrogen add chana reduction. Tinnazugi tiningata ka oxidizing agent inoxena kavika reduction chatio oxidizing agent yang kavika oxidation chatio reducing agent otizuinga ta pinyana tabaki yang kya even a redox reaction oxidation reduction in yang problems you ado you can just write a text or call me anytime कि 10th AB discussion group चुस्ते में देते वे का message देना ठू संगा थोंचे नो या ओ इजु problem रिया यों दुख जते ठू चिची question टिस के अब बाकी गुना ते question बो strike छा में दो ते पियांग ता group पो योत ना ते का चिची question ताना पो समान चाप थोंचे नो तेने यंग इना जुई किया personal number इकांगा message या call चो ना दिखते नो problems योतना बाकी demo चुस्ते यंग questions यो दो redox reaction है ना oxidation reduction reaction है ना ते samal demo chuste sta cheno ha go chuk cheno te phia basic ngata main reaction re thams te lesson re na onna reaction type re discuss chustano ta is thing ngata topic chun jiman me ke chemical reactions and equations ana this thing ngata exercises gun ngata it's extend baki yang kazuk problem yo dang tishik please do study well demo chuste sil cheno baki tingma class na chalen July